Hey guys, it's Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs, and today we are going to do the drawing for the two Remnants Lovely Layers mini albums that I made before Madecon as my prototypes. So all you had to do to enter was leave a comment on the, I'm not even sure what the video was, about a week ago I think. I sound bad because I don't feel well. I started having an allergy attack yesterday, so I'm on medication and I don't feel good, so I had my mom do the drawing for me. So I did read all of your all's comments. They were beautiful. They were so sweet and so kind, and thank you guys so much. I can't even express to you how good it makes me feel to know that I am making an impact on all of your all's lives. So anyway, look, see, I don't feel good and I'm getting teary-eyed, so quit it. I was going to do a flip through of these albums, but honestly, you guys, I just don't feel well. So, like I said, my mom did the picking for me. I didn't even ask her how she picked, but she had to check to make sure that they were subscribers and all of that. So I'm just going to give you the names of the two people that win these albums. And YouTube is actually doing away with their private messaging system. So what I'm going to do probably is, maybe not this time around, but I think I'm going to have to set up a special email address just for the giveaway stuff. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact these two people and we'll get them their winnings. So again, thank all of you for all of those lovely, lovely comments. Very much appreciated. The two ladies that won, the first name is for the Fairy Dust album and the second name is for the Lavender album. So the first one is Joanne Wachel. I'm sorry, I'm probably saying that wrong. And then the second one for the Lavender album is Jessica McKenzie. So thank you both. You both win. One of you wins the Fairy Dust and one of you wins the Lavender. So I'm hoping that I will feel better tomorrow so that I can film. Whoops. We're working on the Santorini album. We just got done constructing all of the pages. So I'm hoping I'll feel better tomorrow so I can start doing the matting and embellishing in here. So if you don't see a video Thursday, that is what's happened, is I just don't feel well. But I'm going to try, so cross your fingers. So I'll be talking to you guys later. Bye.